everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. In today's video, I'm going to make a flower vase and a flower from used perfume bottle. So I washed this perfume bottle and dried it well. So I'm going to decorate this as a vase, and I'm going to use the sprayer of the same perfume bottle into a flower. Basically, I'm going to put flowers stuck around the sprayer, and then the center would be like, the center of the flower. So the things that I need to do this are the sequin wrap. I also got this from Dollar Tree, and it was a long time ago. I was working on a different project, so this is just a leftover from that project. And also I have some leftover pearl stickers from Dollar Tree, and these are some stickers that I got some times back to do a project. So this is also a stone in a flower shape. So the flower part, I'm going to use this blue paper, construction paper, and I'm going to make flowers, paper flowers popping out of this sprayer. So the other things that I would need is a scissor and a glue gun with a couple of glue sticks. So let's start the video. Yeah, while we were gone, I just cut the flower, the small petals with the four, bending the paper into four, just like this one. I just bent into four like that, and then I made a petal of this size, and this will be like a 1/8 of the paper, like a further down. I just folded like one more time like this and had a shape. So I had this tutorial about how to make this flower in one of my videos, previous videos for the headboard making. So I'll also put the link in the description if you haven't watched that video. So I have started doing the flowers. I just stuck a little bit of glue. So I'm not going to go over how to make this flower, so the details. So I applied the same technique here. So it's taking a little more time to just stick to it. So this is our inner flower. So I'm going to make outer flower petals. Yeah, please don't burn your hand. So this is our flower, and I'm going to decorate it like this after decorating the vase, meaning the perfume bottle. So let's get back into the bottle decoration. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I'm going to put a pearl on top. Just like so. And now I'm going to decorate the bottle. The plan is And there you have it, guys. This is the final look of the perfume bottle. And let me show what are the decorations that I made. I just wrapped the sequin wrap 3 times to cover the letters, and then I stuck the flowers on the top and bottom to give nice look to it. And then I also mixed like blue water, if you can see, food color, and I mixed into blue color so to go with the theme. And I'm going to decorate it like this, like a perfume bottle or maybe like a flower vase. And I'm happy how it turned out, and I enjoyed doing this perfume bottle into a flower vase. So I hope you also enjoyed watching this. If you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, please subscribe, like and share, and click on the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.